Welcome to Devi's English. Let me explain you tenses. Tense means time of an action. Time here present time, past time, future time. 3 time periods are there mainly. These 3 time periods again subdividing 4 sub periods. What are they? Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Present simple, past simple, future simple. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. Total 12 tenses are there. It indicating time. An action. Time of an action tense means no. So, an action indicating word verb. These verbs total 5 types are there. We are using these 5 types also in tenses. Let me explain you clearly about these 5 types of verbs. Present verb, past verb, past participle verb, present participle verb, S form verb. Present verb also called as V1, past verb also called as V2, past participle called as V3, present participle called as V4, S form verb called as V5. Example: eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats. Another example: jump, jumped, jumped, jumping, jumps. Drink, drank, drunk, drinking, drinks. Catch, caught, caught, catching, catches. A single verb, we change 5 types of verbs. These 5 types also we are using in tenses. Then a single verb, how can we use in 12 different forms in the 3 tenses? I will explain you now. In present tense, present simple, verb 1, verb 5 we are using. Present continuous tense, am, is, are, these 3 be form verbs plus verb 4 we are using. In present perfect tense, have or has plus verb 3 we are using. Present perfect continuous tense, have or has been plus verb 4 we are using. So, whenever continuous tense will come, we must and should use verb 4 only. Past simple, verb 2 only we are using in past simple. Past continuous tense, was or were helping verbs plus verb 4 we are using. Past perfect tense, had plus verb 3 we are using. Past perfect continuous tense, had plus been plus verb 4 we are using. Future simple, shall or will plus verb 1. Future continuous tense, shall be or will be plus verb 4. Future perfect tense, shall have or will have plus verb 3 we are using. Future perfect continuous tense, shall or will have been plus verb 4 we are using. Whenever continuous tense will come, we must and should use verb 4, continuous tense, and also perfect continuous tense, verb 4 we are using. Perfect tense, always we use verb 3 only. You have to keep it in your mind. All tenses at a glance I will explain you with some examples. Simple tense, how can we construct according to that structures? Present simple, past simple, future simple. Present simple, I play. Same sentence in past simple, I played. In future simple, I shall play. That is the difference between present, past and future. Continuous tense. I am reading. Past continuous, I was reading. Future continuous tense, I shall be reading. That is the difference between these three tenses. I am reading, I was reading, I shall be reading. In present tense, am helping verb we are using there. In past continuous tense, was helping verb using there. In future continuous tense, shall be helping verb we using there. That is the difference between these three tenses in continuous tense. How can we construct according to that structures? You have to observe very carefully. Present perfect tense. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Present perfect, I have played. Past perfect, I had played. Future perfect, I shall have played. What is the difference between these three? Played common. Verb 3 we are using in perfect tense. It is common. Helping verbs only changing there. In present perfect, have we are using. In past perfect, had we are using. In future perfect, shall have we are using. That is the difference between these three. Perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous, I have been reading. Past perfect continuous, I had been reading. Future perfect continuous, I shall have been reading. The difference between these three also, reading common, verb 4 common. Helping verbs only changing there. In present, have been we are using. In past, had been we are using. In future, shall have been using there. That is the difference between these three tenses. Next class, I will explain you each tense uses and also how to construct affirmative, negative, interrogative, negative sentences very easiest way. Thank you.